The amount of data created minute to minute is growing exponentially. It is more important than ever for IT professionals to keep data secure and free from corruption. Due to stringent demands, many organizations are moving their data from on-premises to off-premises as part of their data protection strategy. But even this approach is not foolproof. On average, it takes nearly 5 hours for physical servers to recover after a catastrophic incident. Virtual servers take approximately 4 hours of recovery time. This can translate to millions of dollars lost every minute, not to mention the cost in reputation. What if you could recover everything in minutes? What if your recovered data is secured and the backups checked within minutes? Veeam can help with this. Veeam's backup and replication solutions are built to support any workload, regardless of where that asset is located. They are powerful, easy to use, and affordable. To learn more about how Veeam can help you help your customers protect their data and other top IT priorities, visit the Pro Partner portal or contact Veeam today.